Hey everybody, Dan Prey from Motoprimo Motorsports in Lakeville, Minnesota, and today we just took in a 2013 MV Agusta F4, as you can see here. This is our 1000cc 200 horsepower sport bike. Even back in 2013, MV was kind of leading the way for horsepower. Everybody else was 150 to 180 horsepower bikes. This thing was rated at 199, so just a crazy cool bike ahead of its time a little bit. As you can see, amazing suspension components on this bike. Brembo brakes, beautiful red and silver paint job. And one of the coolest things about this bike, other than it being a 200 horsepower sport bike, is this quad exhaust coming out the back. Just really cool looking. Big single-sided swing arm, really pretty. And that great motor that's in this bike sounds awesome. All the newer technology that you're going to see in Ducati and even Yamaha and Triumph with electronic ride modes. You got the map right there. A little bit different because you actually push the start button to change ride modes. Fully adjustable suspension. This bike only has 7,100 miles on it. Now, if you're not familiar with MV Agusta, it's a smaller Italian company, produce some amazingly beautiful sport bikes. Let's key this on. So as you can see, traction control, ABS, all that stuff's kind of standard on this bike. And then top right corner here where it says S is actually your ride modes. I'm not super familiar with this bike, so I couldn't tell you what they all mean. But oh yeah, this is one of these, I gotta hold the clutch, so you're gonna see this is weird for a second here. I've had this warming up a little bit, so you can see there's a little bit of heat in the motor already. So when we rev it up, it's not going to hurt anything. So if you would press and hold on the starter button, see it will should change our ride modes. So our really slight awesome throttle response. S is like a sport. C, I'm assuming it stands for cruise, but you guys in the comments below, just if you know what that C stands for on the MV Agusta, let me know. But you can hear a little bit slower throttle, and then in. Yeah, I don't know. We'll have to look that up. We just got this bike in, and I'm not real familiar with MV Agustas altogether, other than kind of what they'll do. So just beautiful bike. And guys, this is going online today. Is April 18th, and it's going up for sale for $79.99. It's an $8,000 super bike. It's a 2013 with 7,100 miles on it. If you guys are interested at all, please give us a call. Stop in. You need to own this motorcycle. Otherwise, my boss says he wants to send it to the auction. I don't want to see that happen. I want to see somebody local pick this up. So here's a couple revs. And guys, this is Dan Prey from Motoprimo Motorsports in Lakeville, Minnesota. Don't miss out on this awesome MV Agusta. Check us out online at www.motoprimo.com. and give us a call, 952-465-0506, and we'll take care of you here.